Hello everyone, here let me show you a Foamposite One Cough Drop 2025. Okay, here's an overview of the shoes. You can see the shoes features black and red color. Okay, all up made of the black color. Patent leather with the deposit design. The back view, inside view. Okay, black shoes, black mesh tan. Okay, the Foamposite deposit logo on the tan. Okay, double layers of the tan lining and color lining, and black inner sole with the red Jordan logo, Nike Air logo on the inner sole. Okay, red and black translucent rubber outsole, and here's the you can see the real carbon fiber. Okay, bigger carbon fiber. Okay, the shoes comes the original Nike shoes box. Here's the box level. Okay, let me see the shoes again. You can see the shoes looks very nice and strong. So if you like them, you can place your order on my site flycakes.net, or you may contact me by my WhatsApp. Thank you.